Today we're on a mission to find a paint code for a Subaru. Here we go. There is no paint code here, so that is how you do not find a paint code for a Subaru. Timber. Now we're really going to show you the correct way to find a paint code for a Subaru. Typically on the passenger side door jamb. This is going to be your VIN tag and your paint code will be here. That's how you find a Subaru. Our mission at Ready Car Parts is to help do-it-yourselfers and car enthusiasts get the job done by making auto bodies simple, professional, and affordable.